Hello everybody, welcome back to another video here with John the finance guy. For this video we'll be going over an article. It's on oilprice.com. It's going over the latest the China deal on December 15th. The title is China is set to launch a $105 billion oil and gas pipeline firm. So basically on Monday they're going to open up this company worth between 80 billion and 105 billion. They're going to hold oil and gas pipeline groups. They're going to focus on boosting exploration and production. And overall, this is going to help with the oil and gas firms to focus on increasing their overall productions. So, not necessarily, US isn't involved. As we can see, the pipeline plan is biggest energy reform in China since 1998. Created the China Petroleum and Chemical Corporations. The launch of the new oil and gas pipeline group is scheduled for Monday and is expected to be attended by China's Vice Premier. So the two key factors are inefficient pipelines and growing demand, unfair access to, so they don't have currently the resources, and that's why we need the US-China deal. After 2 years of operations, the company will look to list shares on the stock market in order to access additional funding for its investment in pipeline infrastructure. Okay. The one interesting thing I did see about this is that it will likely result in a short-term gas price increase, and the energy consultancy said in October. Short term, so I don't know if the gas increase already happened because it was stated in October. November there was an increase in the price of the gas, and currently we do see prices of gas dropping. So I don't know if this is already taken into effect or if it's coming in December or January next year, or how soon will this happen. So if you guys know, please, let me know in the comments. If not, if there's anything else you guys can add to this, I would really appreciate that. I found this article to be pretty interesting and gives a little bit of insight moving forward on the prices of oil and gas in the coming year. And yeah, hope you all enjoy this one and stay tuned for the next one.